really needed to know was what was happening when I slept. So he gave me a home sleep test. Dr. Stern only needed a few results, and mine were bad. It could be obstructive sleep apnea, a condition that blocks the throat and literally stops you from breathing while you're asleep. When this happens, oxygen is cut off. The brain goes into a fight or flight mode and then wakes you up so that you can breathe again. I stopped breathing almost 30 times an hour. A few weeks of using the mouthpiece, I took another home sleep test to see what the results really were. The doctor went over the results with me over FaceTime. I didn't even need to go to his office. Now this chart over here shows a night with the mouthpiece. And as you can tell, it's working. Finally, I'm sleeping better, and so is the person next to me.